2021 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack. This is a very unique color. This is a copper orange color with two-tone peanut butter seats, heated and cooled seats, and front seats are heated and cooled, and the rear seats are heated. This is a very cool Scat Pack. This is also the wide body Scat Pack with 55,000 miles. Right now it's still under factory powertrain warranty until 60,000 miles, and the car is nearly spotless and mechanically in excellent condition. And this is a beautiful color, beautiful car, and it shines even better. Let's get it started. It has the 8-inch screen and the SRT control modes and the backup camera. Oh, and this one has sunroof. Believe it or not, it's not a very common option on Dodge Charger Scat Packs have a sunroof, and the exhaust shines like this. Yes, this is the 2021 Scat Pack wide body, and this one came from Texas, so it's completely rust free. While it's idling, you can barely hear the engine running, but when it's rev it up, it shines a little bit different. Boom, boom. This will be on lowmilecars.com. lowmilecars.com.